Welcome to Economics Trainer. This video was made to help you strengthen your skills in microeconomics. Here we have a sample question, care of brighttutoring.ca. It's the kind of question you'd expect to see on a test in a second-year microeconomics class. Let's work through it together. So here's the question. Suppose we have a producer with a production function of output Q equals L to the 0.3, K to the 0.3, which gives them these marginal product equations. Marginal product of labor equals 0.3, L to the negative 0.7, K to the 0.3, and the marginal product of capital is 0.3, L to the 0.3, K to the negative 0.7. They also have an operating budget of $100 to produce that output. Now what we have to figure out is their degrees of returns to scale for their production function. Now the way we solve that out is by looking at the multiplier effect on their production. So say we multiply both labor and capital by T, which could be doubling for 2. What will happen for the returns to scale is that factor will pop out in front with an exponent on it as the degree, and you'll get the original production function as the remainder. So if T was 2 and you had constant returns to scale, you just have 2 to the 1 and it'd be doubling across the board. So if we look at this for our specific case here in this question, let's put the T multiplier. Where we see an L, we're going to put TL. So it was L to the 0.3. So we'll have TL. And then we had K to the 0.3. So that's going to be TK now, the multiplier. And if we multiply the exponent in, we'll have T to the 0.3, L to the 0.3. And then likewise here, we're going to have T to the 0.3, K to the 0.3. And then we can collect the multiplier T in front. And we see here, okay, we'll add the exponents. So we're going to get T to the 0.6. And then the parts that are left over were here and here. You can see that's just the original production function, L to the 0.3, K to the 0.3. So you can see here, this is going to be your degree of returns to scale. So going back to the question here, in terms of our degrees, it's going to be 0.6. And that's how you solve that question. This video is brought to you by people who like, share, and subscribe to this channel. You can also support my work by buying me a coffee.